What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are in the shop. I just got done spraying the Lindberg Ford Coupe with the Mission Models primer. Next up, we're going to spray the Mission Models RAF High Speed Silver because the top coat is going to be Mission Models MMP 161 Iridescent Turquoise, and as it says on their website, they recommend that you spray this over some sort of metal base coat. So that's why we're going to go ahead and spray this high speed silver. So one of the things Mission Models Paints recommends that you spray their paint anywhere between 10 to 15 psi at about 2 to 3 inches away from whatever you're painting. So here we are right in the middle between the 10 and the 20. So that's what we're spraying this paint at. We are using the Pinky U airbrush that I reviewed over the weekend. Still working out pretty good. So let's go ahead and spray this high speed silver. All right, so we just sprayed the Mission Models MMM009 RAF High Speed Silver on the Ford Coupe. Just one coat. Sprayed the body and the lower half of the body, the fenders of the front. Got our chassis, sprayed it as well. Still got our interior and primer, not sure what color I'm gonna do, probably black. So we're ready to spray the MMP 161 Iridescent Turquoise over our silver. So let's go ahead and get into it. here's where we are with everything. Got the body all painted. Really nice color. And you saw we got our hood, bottom part of the body. The only thing we got to do now is in the next video, I'll be putting some clear coat on there, and we're going to add the polyurethane mix to that clear just to make it a little bit stronger. And then we're going to paint the interior. We're going to go with black. I'm going to airbrush the interior, and then I'm going to use the same black that I use on the interior. I'm going to paint these running boards right here. I'm going to hand brush that on. Again, shout out to Mission Models for the paint care package. Their website will be linked down in the description, as well as the airbrush. Again, is the Pinky U airbrush that I did a review on. It's from Amazon for 30 bucks. And the compressor. I'll link my compressor as well. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. And I'll catch you guys all in the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.